hope you like this video. If you do, please drop a like, and if you're new to my channel, please click the red button and subscribe my channel. Also click the notification bell so that you will get notification whenever we upload a video. So thank you so much guys. Hope to see you in my next video.